Right, the people, another little adventure in that. It's so bloody hot today out with the kids. Thought I'd get them out and about. Just on our way to our main location, I've just come across another little sign that somebody's opened. So I know it's only a tiny little one because I've shined it with my torch before, but it's never been opened as far as I'm aware until now. So yeah, we'll turn the camera around in a second, people, get involved with it, see what's down there. Only another short little video, but something to watch. It's a little bit of history, well, it's around the back of Fort Amherst, so it's another little bit of history about Fort Amherst, all documented and all sorted. So yeah, let's get involved with this little explore and see what's going on, people.
It's open now. It's only a little one anyway, but it's a nice little one.
Gotta hold that space, please.
And we're just about to go in, so.
Let's have a little wander in here, people, see what it's about. Oh, there's a lot of bloody flies. I say, I'm aware it's only a tiny little one.
Dad,
Must
I
have
suppose
been.
you haven't done the camera the right way.
No, it must have been used for just like, I don't know, either a little bit of storage or just like a little bunker in case things kicked off and that. Oh, you've got someone's boot there. Right. Last time when I shined in here, there definitely wasn't this amount of bottles. So I think this has been off for a little while, people, and you've had all the drunk people down there, I reckon. There you go, Diane, so you can see where you're going.
There's no newspaper there.
No newspaper. Let's have a look. Can you see a date on it or anything, darling?
That's
at
what I
all?
always look for.
Right, give it a little shake. On the front page anywhere at the top.
I was just looking there because all money in the date there.
Oh, that's alright, don't worry.
Hang on a minute. Here you go, 1997.
1997,
The 30th of May.
Right. So as I say, people, look, ain't really a massive one. Still a little bit of documented history though. These don't go anywhere now, so this is just the end of it.
It looks like that everything's right to be honest with you, thanks.
Right, so this. Well, I'm not too sure. So it looks like it may go on a little bit more. It may go on a little bit more, people, but look, you've got the bars.
Have to wait till someone opens it.
You've got the bars put there. Someone's been trying to prise it open. But no avail.
They got quite though, didn't they, really?
Oh God.
I like spiders, but not case spiders.
I know you don't like case spiders. These ones bite, don't they? Right.
Right, so let's walk. Yeah, that's
Rocks out of
it. Like Mama called you, didn't you? Outside.
You know, these are right. These are definitely fresh cans
How do you know?
because they're not all rotting like everything else. So, yeah, I presume the homeless people have been in here.
Well, there's two boots, one there and one there.
Oh, I'm not worried about the boots. I say another little piece of history and that all recorded and documented, people. I don't think a lot of people have been in here unless they're bumming about, but oh. Right, so that's the end of that video, people. Like, subscribe, have a good day, take care, and as always, I'll see you soon. Alright, bye.